Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix QR code scanner not working in Moto G77. First of all, first of camera, open setting. Now in setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search camera app. Now click on camera, scroll down, click on force stop. After click on force stop, camera will be force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn on or turn off QR code scanner. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, find QR code scanner, and after find QR code scanner, click on QR code scanner. Now here you will see turn on QR code scanner from your phone. Now turn off. After that, clear cache, open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search camera app, click on camera, scroll down, click on storage and cache, and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, camera will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates, and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix QR code scanner not working in Moto G77. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.